Now here is a breaking news coming in straight from Kannur, where a bomb blast was reported early this morning, resulting in at least one death. The powerful explosion reportedly ripped through the house of Kirara area in Kannapuram. City Police Commissioner Nidhin Raj has confirmed that the body of one individual identified as Mohammad Asham has been recovered from the crime scene. Authorities are currently conducting a thorough investigation to determine the exact cause of the blast and to uncover any further details related to the incident. Till now, no further information has been released, but this is what the City Police Commissioner said about the incident.
It happened today morning at around 2:30 a.m. Since then, the search and post-blast procedure is being carried out. At this moment, we have recovered dead body of one Mr. Mohammad Asham from the crime scene, and further investigations will reveal the cause of blast and other aspects related to this case.
So that's the big news coming in straight from Kerala, where a bomb blast was reported early this morning. One death has been reported because of it. This powerful explosion rocked the houses in Kihara area in Kannapuram. City Police Commissioner Nidhin Raj also confirmed that one body of an individual has been recovered. It has been identified as Mohammad Asham's body. The body being recovered from the crime scene. You can see the visuals coming in straight from Kannur of Kerala. Currently, the authorities are conducting a thorough investigation to determine the exact cause of the blast and to also uncover any further details related to this incident that led to death of one individual. Investigation currently going on. It's a developing story. The only detail that we have is about a bomb blast being reported early this morning and how a rented house in Kannur got reduced to rubble in suspected bomb-making accident. One individual died, has been identified as Mohammad Asham. His body has been recovered. It was a powerful explosion that flattened a rented house nearby in Kihara area in Kannur's Kannapuram Grama Panchayat. It happened in the wee hours of Saturday, which is today early in the morning at around 1:50 a.m. as per the sources.